When you think about your life, what areas really matter to you? There's spiritual, your sense of purpose and meaning, relational, the depth of your relationships with family and friends, physical, your health and energy, intellectual, what you're learning and how you're growing, and financial, money. These are the five capitals, and they're the foundation of the life alignment system. But knowing what matters isn't enough. The question is, are your daily actions actually moving you forward in these areas? That's what this system helps you see. It connects your daily habits to your bigger goals, to the person you're trying to become across all five life areas. Let me show you how it works. This is the homepage. On the left, your control center, where you manage your daily operations, goals, habits, tasks, reflections, and more. And on the right are the five capitals. Each one shows you the goals and resources you connected to that area of your life. When I click into intellectual, I see every goal I've set that serves this area, every book, article, and resource I'm learning from. At a glance, I can see, am I investing in all five areas? Or am I overloaded in finance or neglecting relationships or health? But the real power isn't the overview, it's how everything connects. Let me show you. Most productivity systems start with tasks. This one starts with who you want to become. In the set and track goals page, we have value goals, your big picture aspirations, the kind of person you want to be. For example, be a lifelong learner and share what I learn with others. That's not something I check off, it's a direction I'm heading. Under that, we have outcome goals, specific measurable targets that serve the value goal. For example, read 24 books this year is an outcome goal. It's concrete, has a deadline, and it directly supports my goal of being a lifelong learner. Both connect to a capital, in this case, intellectual. So now I have a clear thread. Capital, I want to grow intellectually. Value goal, I want to be a lifelong learner. An outcome goal, I'm going to read 24 books this year. Here's where a lot of people stop. They set the goal and hope it happens, but the life alignment system takes it one step further. Goals themselves don't just happen, but daily habits make them happen. So, this is where good intentions become real on the track habits page. Every day, you check off the habits that move you towards your goal. And here's the key, habits are connected to goals. So, this habit of 30 minutes of reading supports my goal of reading 24 books. When I check this box, I'm not just completing a task, I'm making progress on something that matters. So, now the thread is complete. Capital, intellectual. Value goal, be a lifelong learner. Outcome goal, read 24 books this year. Daily habit, 30 minutes of reading. So when I sit down to read, I know exactly why it matters. It's not just a habit, it's connected to who I'm trying to become. And you also get analytics into your habits, weekly and monthly views to spot patterns. Which days do you skip? What's actually working? It helps you adjust the system instead of just blaming yourself for not being disciplined enough. Now, we talked about habits tied to goals, but there's another thing that separates people who achieve their goals from those who don't, and it's consistent reflection. The life alignment system includes daily, weekly, monthly, and quarterly reviews. And the system has over 200 prompts to help you reflect, organized by life area, by frequency. So when different things happen, such as starting something new, we have prompts for that. You want to reflect on your career, your job, we have reflections for that, as well as by frequency. Different things, different timing, different prompts. And these are all baked in throughout the system as well. Now, the weekly review pulls everything together because in one quick glance, you can see the tasks you've completed, the goals you've progressed, habits, reflections, everything in one view. It keeps you aligned. So you're not just setting goals in January and forgetting them. You're checking in every week, noticing what's working, and adjusting course. Daily action are tied to weekly reflections, are tied to monthly course corrections. It's how intention becomes transformation. Now, there's one more piece I want to talk about, and it's your inputs. In the Media Vault page, everything you read, watch, and learn gets captured here. Books, articles, podcasts, organized and searchable. If you use Readwise, which I show you how to set up here, it syncs in automatically. Your highlights flow in without manual work. And just like everything else in the system, media connects to the 5 capitals. So that podcast on relationships, tag it to a relational capital. And then you can see what you're consuming feeds what you're building. It's all connected. Let me bring it all together. You start with who you want to become, your value goals across the 5 capitals. You set outcome goals that move you towards that person. You build daily habits that make progress automatic, and you reflect weekly to stay on track. And you feed your growth with intentional learning. So every morning when you open this system, you're not asking, what's on my to-do list? You're asking, what moves me closer to who I want to become today? That's the shift. That's alignment. Thanks so much for watching. The link to get this system for yourself is in the description below, and I'll also include a link to join our community of people building intentional lives together, where you can connect with me and other like-minded people. I'm excited for you to use this system. Happy aligning.